Hi, today we're going to read about The Scruffy Puppy by Wendy Ravenhill and Jessica Allan. Gather round, toys, and please pay attention, said Sergeant McNabb. There are things I must mention. It's come to my notice, I'm sorry to say, you don't invite Puppy to join in your play. I'm sure that you new toys think he's a scruff, but I'm here to tell you his life has been tough. He doesn't have batteries, touch screen or brakes. He can't sing a song, roll along or do tricks. But when Tommy was teething, which hurts, so I hear, Poppy let Tommy chew hard on his ear. When Tommy was carelessly slamming a door, saving Tommy's fingers damaged Poppy's paws. You may wonder why he's been missing for weeks. McNabb blew his nose. He could hardly speak. Poppy nursed Tommy through his chicken pox. Now that Tommy is well, he is back in our box. And Mom, to make sure that Poppy was clean, gave him a hot bath in the washing machine. The toys all gasped loudly. Nightlight went quiet play. Then Poppy was dried, hung up by his tail. So that is why Poppy looks a bit battered. He did his duty, stood up when it mattered. Poppy, come over here. Now, if you please. Okay, son, relax and just stand at ease. As Robot pinned medals onto Poppy's chest, the toys stamped and cheered. He's one of the best. Pink Kitty kissed him, then bursting with pride, he had a quiet thought he kept hidden inside. What really counted, though Poppy won't boast, out of all of his toys, Tommy loved him the most. Can you read the drawing? To Poppy, love Tommy. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.